Are you currently having problems with not being able to update your TikTok region now in 2024 and you want to be able to fix this? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you because I'm going to show you step by step how I myself was able to fix this issue. So what you're going to do firstly is to just go into your TikTok app. And as you can see, I'm currently on my TikTok app right here. And then what we're going to do is to locate the three lines in the top right corner and click on the three lines. And as you can see, we should now be taken to this page right here, which is perfect. So what you're going to do now on this page is to just click on settings and privacy right here. And then it should take us to this page. Now you're just going to scroll down. And what I did is actually scroll down and click on report a problem in here. And now you might wonder, why do I have to come to this page right here? And that's a great question. The reason why we need to come to this page right here is because we need to actually contact TikTok support to be able to fix this issue, because they are the ones that can actually fix this for us. And I'm going to show you what I wrote to them as well. So scroll down and just click on submit a report way down below right here, as you can see. And now you're going to write like this: I need to change my TikTok region to, and you're going to write the exact country that you want to be able to change it to. So for example, I can write Norway, just as an example for this tutorial. So I need to change my TikTok region to Norway. Please help me with this because my current region is wrong. So just explain to them that your current region is wrong and that is why you need to actually change it basically. And then you can just click on submit. It's going to take a couple of seconds for it to load right here, just so you know. And then now you have a ticket open right here with the TikTok support, which is perfect. So what you're going to do after this is to just close your TikTok app and then go into the App Store if you have an iPhone, or Google Play Store if you have an Android, and just search for TikTok in here. So I'm just going to search for TikTok, scroll down and see if you have this blue button in here where it says update for you, as you can see. And if you don't have it yet, don't worry, it might sometimes take like 1 to 2 business days to actually get this update button right here, just so you know. And when you do have the update button, you can just click on it and then it will update to the latest TikTok version. So what will happen after this is that your latest TikTok version should be able to actually fix your problem. So that is basically exactly how to do this.